Hello viewers, welcome to my channel itechsolution. One another example of Excel problem is here. I will discuss today on pivot table. This is insert and this is pivot table. You here explain here is summarize data using pivot table for in the pivot chart or in the pivot table. So now just I will show the summarization of data in a table. And this is you may see the first you see the wizard. How will this how I will does it. This is I will do it. Yes, I select the data here first, then go to pivot table. This wizard asks you how to keep where to keep data. This is location, existing worksheet. Suppose you show this location and click on OK. This is the area where data will be summarized, and also it is a filtration of data from this table. So you can extract here. Suppose you give this row data here name, as the name will come here, and next salary you can show this is a value, so you keep it here, so it gives the total salary of these guys Louis, Mark and Opus. And next, suppose you want to show the next seller income, net seller income, so you give here in column, so it gives also the net seller income according to this person. And you can check it here also in the values, it will also reflect these values. And the convenience of these values is that if you want to show somebody the only net salary of this person, then you just uncheck these values here. Net salary income, it goes out from this table. That is, net salary is here, but net salary income is not here. But although the source is shown that it is the net salary income, but filtration, instant filtration is does here. So again you can check here, and data will appear in this table. Suppose you filter again on this somebody values, somebody's values is not required, and uncheck here and OK, so it goes out from these values. That is, second filtration is done from this summarization. So that is the value of Lohit is not appeared there. And again, if I want to check it and call back here, okay, it shows this. So this is a simple example of pivot table, and depending on this you can also various methods report filter using pivot table, and to summarize large amount of data. We're having large columns of data table, so this is the main convenience of pivot table, and the method is here. And I will repeat it again. Suppose I will copy this to new sheet here. Then select the data. Again I will repeat this, and go to the pivot table and existing worksheet, because it is convenient to show us, and so these values. And here this is the pivot table area, and this is the field list where we want to filtration of data. This is row level, so I will show this salary here, It is the filtration of the data and summary of the persons low hit mark in rupees naturally. And similarly, net income can be placed here, values, and it will show here. So this is the sorry, this is the values, this is the values. So this way you can just apply a pivot table and pivot chart to give you the summary of data here. Thank you.